Hello there, welcome to Saxon. So this is my setup. As you can see, it's a super nice setup. I was using this for the last 5 years as my personal office. I was working at home since the pandemic, so I need to make a special place that I feel comfortable with everything I need. So as you can see, here on top is just exhibition figures, things I have. All my business things is all inside of that box there. And then, as you can see, I have several things. First, 3 screens. Each screen is a 2K. So then we have a little bit of lights. Here on top is a super bar light that is helping me to see a lot of stuff. In case if I no recorder, for example, I just turn off the lights here with a button, and that's my regular light I use. Here's the microphone I use for recording, for video conference, and for everything. Here on top I have the webcam. In some cases I move and I put the iPhone to make to do as a webcam. Here on top is where you see all my video recorder. I just hang the iPhone there and then it's working. And as you can see here in the bottom, here is where is the magic. Here's the MacBook. As you can see, I have a little cooling system. I can make a little short to explaining what I'm doing. Everything is together with 2 wires. And then I have here a little knob that is for turning on the volume, pause things. A little indication of what is my calendar, days, and a lot of stuff. The other mobile phone I have here is just for setting up for the PC that I here in my left, and that what it's doing is just send me what is the CPU, the cooler, all the temperatures. Here below, as you can see, I have 2 speakers. That is only for the PC because I use the built-in speakers of the MacBook. I know it's close, it's not sounding perfect, but even like that, it's still sounding good. For always when I use the Mac, I love so much the Magic Keyboard, so I use that one. But it's both are connected. As you can see, here is a little knob, and that knob is for changing between Mac or PC, depending on what I'm using. Here's my mouse. It's all connected to the same thing, so I have a little switch that is switching between both things. Here's the hard disk drive, external hard disk drive only for the MacBook, because the big computer have 8 terabytes, so it's more than enough. Coffee cup. A little backup computer down there. I have my NAS in another position. Here it is. Here's my audio, as you can see, super cool. I have everything here. I also use a little magnetic things that I'm going to make a video regarding that, so don't worry, it's going to come. So remember to subscribe to get more things. Here's my ideas for next videos. I have a little whiteboard that I can delete with the little cloth, water. And even if you don't believe, everything is clean like that, okay? Because I have everything sorted. That's my gamepad for playing. That's my old Xbox 360. I just have it because I love it. I mean, it's my first thing I have. And well, yes, actually playing. Here on the back is my fan. So when I have hot, I just turn it on and it's completely without need to absolutely do nothing. That was my old YouTube channel. My old Enterprise is down here too. I just have it because behind I have boxes and things, so I like it. It's nice to cover. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you like the little review of the setup, and that is what I see every day, exactly like it is, and it's super nice. I love it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. See you for the next video, and remember,
Welcome to Mr. Saxon.
see you around.